she's kind of very competitive. Is there a prize to this, or am I just so completely competitive that it doesn't matter if there's a prize? It's inbred in me. I want to win.
I wonder where I
Very
got
competitive. We need counseling.
You need counseling.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Robeson.
And I'm Sharrah Stevens, and we are from Kinwoven. We are interior designers.
And we are a mother-daughter team.
Now, today we are here with Wayfair, and we are going to take on a challenge like none other before.
Shara and I are going to design our own dream spaces here on Wayfair.com.
And the real challenge is going to be to see who can guess the exact furniture pieces that the other person chose for their dream room. I am so excited for this challenge.
Me too.
How do I describe Rebecca Robeson's personality?
Could someone turn on the cameras because it's about to explode from me? I have so much to say.
She is a very sassy and spicy individual, and she will tell it to you straight.
I'm just saying, I have really good taste.
If you had a question like, hey, do these jeans make my butt look big?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked.
She would tell you.
You're welcome.
My personality, I think, is very much personable.
She's Scandi. I didn't even know what Scandi was. So I have since learned Scandi means something. She's hoogie, hooga, hoogu, hoogie, hookah. And that means cozy. I'm gonna start shopping for Shara's living room. She's already got 10 items that she's picked, and I can see 5 of them. It's giving me a clue as to the direction she's going. Then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna look at sofas, lamps, a pendant light, a side table, and I believe a coffee table. Those are the things that she doesn't have already in this mix. And I have to see if I can guess what I think my daughter already selected. I can tell you this, I like what she's got going here so far. I like this little ladder bookshelf that she's got, a great little console. It's got caning on the door. This rug honestly totally looks like Shara. But the surprise element here are these chairs. These chairs have orange in them. And I haven't known Shara to be an orange person. It also has the caning on the sides of the chairs. So what does that tell me? I see a trend and a pattern that she's creating with these different textures and materials that she's selecting. Now I'm gonna picture this in my mind. So let's go to coffee tables. I think this one here is a little too rustic for her.
She knows I'm leaning mid-century with these styles.
So I feel confident about this choice. I'm going to say yes.
Yes, she got it. Good job, Mom.
Side tables. Okay, this one's a little bit too modern. I'm thinking that she's going to go with these 3-tiered stacking tables.
She knows
because it's clean, it's got lots of ability to put things on, and it looks great with our coffee table. All right, I'm going to add it to the cart.
It's not looking good for me over here.
I really love this blue light fixture. This is a huge risk.
Yeah, but the caning in the chairs goes with the light fixture, pulling that color back in.
Shara, did you do the blue beaded chandelier? Because if you did, I'm really proud of you. It's so cool.
You're really, really cold.
I'm getting tears. I'm getting water in my eyes.
You are so
tearing up.
dramatic.
Okay, it's worth getting one wrong, okay? Okay, a lamp. I'm thinking she might have done this one, the LA25 table lamp, because of the base size, the color's good with the area rug that she's got going in there.
I knew she was gonna think that, but I didn't.
I really hope I'm right, because you know how I like to win.
It's looking good for me so far.
The last thing I have to choose is the sofa.
Is she going to guess the sofa? That is what I need to know.
Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful leather sofa.
Yeah, you think I picked that, don't you?
Oh my God, either one of these would be so perfect.
To her defense, I do love both of those.
Cream with the blue, with the gray, with those tables. This is my process.
Quite a lengthy process.
I think that Shara picked the white sofa. Add to cart.
Dang it.
Woohoo! How did I do, Shara?
She got
Did
it.
I do it? I can't wait to see what you actually picked out. But honey, if you could just get that blue chandelier, I'd be so happy.
Now I'm a little nervous because now I have to go, and I mean, I had some curveballs in there, which means I'm sure she's gonna have curveballs. She wants a topless man on her wall. I know it. That's 100% what she picked.
Oh my gosh, I threw that in there to throw her off.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna shop for my mom's living room. So here's the 5 pieces. She's got a side table, we've got curtains, of course, we've got some window treatments, we've got a globe light, okay, we've got kind of an abstract piece of art with black and gold and gray, and then we have an oh-so predictable, I guess, coffee table. It's very branchy. She can't just do organic, she's gotta go drama with her organic. She has to pull the roots out of the ground and put them in her living room.
It's true.
Looks like I've got to pick a chair, a rug, a bookcase, an accessory, decor item, and it says here a wild art print. Wild. Okay, I've got 3 rugs. This O'Neill one, I think it's too geometric for her. Now this one over here, the solid black, still has texture, still has some dimension to it, but it looks a little bit more modern. I think that's what she's going for. Mom, did I get that right?
You know what? I can't remember.
Okay, now we get the bookcases. The red one is definitely a no, way too English. The brass one, that would go with her art and her side table. I did not know that you could find such high-end pieces on Wayfair. That's amazing. And you know my mom, she is a bougie lady. Becky is bougie.
Becky has good taste, all right?
So I'm gonna say that she's gonna go for this higher end. She's got expensive taste.
You keep going, baby.
Oh my gosh, and these art prints. Okay, did she pick Jesus or did she pick Brad Pitt without a shirt on? She likes both, so this is tough. One time she did put a nude model on my brother's wall. That sounds weird, not a nude model, a topless. Maybe we should scratch the story. Jesus, I think, is out. We've got Brad Pitt still in the running.
Brad Pitt will always still be in the running, honey.
Mom, this is what I think of you. I think you're putting nude Brad Pitt on your wall. Okay, let's look at these chairs. So I've got 4 chairs in front of me. The one on the left here, I mean, that would have been my style. I would have picked that one. And it goes with her art print. She's got that caramely color in the art, so that's kind of an interesting contender. Now this cream colored one looks very cozy, and in her house, she's got 4 chairs that look similar to this. Let me envision the black rug with the leather chair with Brad Pitt. That could work. You know what? I'm just gonna make a decision here. I'm gonna go with the leather chair. Oh, accessories. She does like a good statue with the arms out.
You know, she likes a lot of good things. Have you caught that theme?
Her table is like this. So would she put a guy like this on top of the table? And also, would she pick a topless man and a man statue? She is single, so maybe this is a theme. All right, I'm gonna go with arm sculpture, adding. I think I have good intuition, so I guess we'll find out. I'm excited to see if I was really right or I am really wrong.
Becky won. Becky won.
I'm feeling a bit nervous because I think my mom intentionally put things in here to throw me off. All right, let's see how things showed down. We either got them all right or all wrong.
Well, speak for yourself. I think I got them all right. Okay, what'd I pick? I don't remember. I did pick a couch. Yay!
You got it. Good job.
Woo! All right. Pendant light. Oh, this is the big one. All right, all right.
The blue monster.
Did you? Oh, it looks exactly like the one you have already.
I actually don't have it anymore. It was in my old house.
I didn't think you'd buy the same thing you already had.
Yeah, well, you know.
Coffee table. Where are we with the coffee table? How'd I do there?
It's a match.
Yay! Okay, good.
Side tables. Okay. So you thought I got the tiered.
Right.
I got the tiered.
Okay,
Good job. You
picked
voted the gray lamp, and I selected the...
I almost knew you'd pick that because
I
it looks like
know.
all the lamps you already have. So
I know.
should have just gone with what I know to be true because you're consistent.
Yeah, I know. Now, you did a good job. You did just get the lighting wrong.
Right? That's true.
Now it's your living room, and let's see.
All right, let's see
what did I pick?
Because I'm very close to winning here, you know
I
that,
know.
right?
So for the chair, let's see. I picked this leather chair. What did you? I almost picked it. Okay, then I got the chair on. I got the whole thing wrong.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey.
Rug. It's
And
a
I
match.
did.
Well, yeah, and I
it's
just
the
know
best
you.
one.
Yeah. Bookcase. Now there were a couple that I thought you would have chosen in this bookcase.
And you picked this one, which makes really great sense. That was a very good guess. Okay,
Yeah.
now we're 2 for 2,
Okay,
right?
that's true.
Okay,
You're a
picked
little
him.
excited about this.
I picked. Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yay, good job. Okay. Now,
Oh wait, okay. That's what you picked, which is hilarious because.
you are a creep. That's your dream wall? I knew it. I think you guys gave her way too many good ones. You could have trumped her and like confused her way harder if you like held back some of those. Like that chair, you never would have guessed that I was gonna pick that chair. But I think ultimately, as we processed it, we did know each other's style and each other's like inklings and what we would do, you know?
And I was proud of her process
Yeah.
because she knew where to start and where to go from there and how she built upon it. All right, guys, thank you for joining us today. And listen, we want to know, what was your favorite item that we pulled into our carts? How many of you got it right? How many of you went, oh no, Rebecca's going to pick this or Shara's going to pick this? We want
How
to
many
hear
of
from
you thought that she was gonna pick the nude man on her wall? And if you guys wanna like this video, make sure you subscribe and we will see you guys next time.
Okay, bye-bye.